Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung C5 Pro versus the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. It is the best selling smartphone of 2017. It is the Huawei Kirin 659 processor along with 4 GB RAM, while the C5 Pro on the another hand it is the Snapdragon 625 along with 4 GB RAM. So let's see the speed in terms of booting speed. Here we go. And you can see C5 Pro is going to Samsung logo, and the C5 Pro is having Android Nougat, and you can see, and let's see, and you can see my Samsung C5 Pro is faster in this test, and the owner it is also done. So about 3 or 4 second difference. So, and you can see and everything is closed up in the background, and you can see. And let's start some basic stuff. First we have the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see Mate 10 Lite is faster because it has the fast animation. So let's open another application, settings. Here we go, and again the Mate 10 Lite is faster because it has a fast animation. So let's open another application, and let's launch calculator on both phones. Here we go, and I think the Mate 10 Lite is again faster. So, and you can see. So let's open some games. So first we have the Subway Surfer, and oops, I mistake. So let's open again, and you can see, C5 Pro is faster, I think. And no, that actually the Mate 10 Lite is faster. So let's open another game application, Candy Crush. Here we go, launching at the same time, and let's see. And you can see C5 Pro is faster this time. So and let's see the internet speed, and you can see I am using the default internet browser on my Samsung C5 Pro versus the Google Chrome. So first we will launch the wwe.com. Here we go, and launching at the same time, and you can see, and let's see, and you can see both phones are working. So, and you can see Mate 10 Lite is finished up first, but the C5 Pro is not good as the Mate and Lite, and you can see scrolling is absolutely smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out, and you can see first win for the Mate and Lite. And let's log wikipedia.org, and you can see I think both phones are about the same in this website. So, and the last website, it is the facebook.com. Here we go, and let's see, and you can see C5 Pro is going to the end, and I think the both phones having same speed. So interesting. So one win for the C5 Pro and the two draw of the on both phones. And let's see the RAM management, because both phones having a 4GB RAM. I am interested. So first we have the phone dialer, and you can see no refresh on both phones. So let's open settings, and you can see no refresh whatsoever. So let's open calculator, and you can see, and again no refresh on both phones, 4GB RAM on both phones. So let's see the games, Subway Surfer, and you can see no refresh on both phones. So let's open and let's see the another game, Candy Crush, and no refresh on both phones. So let's last opening the internet browser. So, and you can see no refresh on both phones. So, and back to the phone dialer, and amazing performance on both phones. So I missed it, the one application, the camera. Here we go, and you can see C5 Pro is again faster with this application, and I have to say both phones are incredible fast in this price range. But the Huawei Mate and Lite gives you dual cameras on the back and the dual cameras on the front with portrait shots. So, and the C5 Pro is having good phone. It has a comfortable fingerprint scanner on the front. And thank you so much for watching this speed test, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.